Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this waterproof wireless speaker. This is modeled F013. It's a beautiful, very small, and again you can take it to a shower. Also it's an FM radio plus an MP3 player. So this way you're not only going to use it with you anywhere you go, but plus you can take it inside of the shower. That's the best part. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed going around. It just have two little parts that you can cut so you can open it. Components that are part of this is a little paper that says follow us. Then go into the user manual itself. It's very big. It's double-sided as you can see. Now the charger adapter part of it is micro USB on one side and USB 2.0 mil on the other side of it. So this we're going to charge this speaker. And now the speaker itself, it's really nicely created. It's round, and where the base setup is where you're going to hook it up to the wall. Now this is really attractive the way that it looks. It has LED lights inside, but let's look at it. So going around it, you have a charger connection on one side of it. It is very nicely sealed so that way no water can get into it when you are trying to charge it. Make sure it's not near to water. Except that you can close it or you can open that part. And then going in the front part of it, it's everything that you're looking for is on a top. And if you look around it itself, it has some little holes that you will be able to see the LED lights. But looking on one side of it, it has the shock-proof, scratch-proof, and dust-proof and water case, the way that it is set up. And also the suction cup that you will hook up on the wall or on a mirror is really nicely and very strong, by the way. And the top part of it, you have all the buttons that you need. There's one button that says M. It looks like it's mute, but that is created for the FM radio, and you want to switch it back to Bluetooth. And when you're pressing it, it's very loud, as you can hear right now.
All the pennies I earned working at a ski resort to continue on with my bachelor's degree. So I went to
also you have the play and pause button, and then the next part is your volume down or go back a song. And the bottom part of it, it has a little microphone if you want to pick up calls through your phone, which is beautiful. It has a little hole. And also that is going to be your power on and power off button. That is very loud. So if you are going to use this when everybody's sleeping, this will wake up everyone. And then the next button is going to be your volume up and also a skip button. So this way you can go ahead of a song. That would really help you out. So the Bluetooth on this is 4.0. This is hands-free. It does have a FM radio and it does have multiple color LED light, and you can charge it using the USB. Now remember, for the charging part of it, it is DC 5 volt. So when you are charging it, it roughly takes about 4 hours to maximum charge it. And when trying to play back, it is roughly about 8 hours. Now if you are going to play it for an hour and turn it off and use it later, you can use it forever. It takes a long time for you to till you run out of charge. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect it and show you how it works. Let's get this pair. So grab your speaker, make sure that it is charged. The charge is right here. It is hidden. It is very hard to take out, by the way, so that way the water does not go in where the charger is. So make sure it is charged. Once it is done, flip it to the front. So the one we require to press and hold is going to be the power button. So you need to hold it for about 3 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
And there you go. Now we're going to put this down, grab our phone, and we're going to go to the Bluetooth itself, or you can say scan. It will tell you my speaker F013.
Paired.
There you go. Now it's done. So let's go through and play a song. Except that, make sure you purchase one of it. It's very inexpensive. Link's going to be available in the bottom where you can get one from. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.